Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide but is often misunderstood: anemia. You've probably heard the term before. Maybe you even know someone who has it. But what exactly is it? Stick around, because we're going to break it all down in a simple, easy to understand way. So, let's start with the basics. Imagine your body is a bustling city, and this city needs oxygen to function. The delivery trucks carrying this oxygen are your red blood cells. Inside these trucks, there's a special protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is like the driver. It grabs onto oxygen in your lungs and carries it to every single part of your body, from your brain down to your toes. Now, anemia happens when your body doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells, or when your red blood cells don't have enough hemoglobin. Think of it like a shortage of delivery trucks or trucks that don't have drivers. When this happens, your body's city doesn't get the oxygen it needs to thrive, and that's when you start to feel the effects. This can lead to a whole range of symptoms. The most common one is feeling tired or weak all the time. It's not just the "I didn't get enough sleep" kind of tired. It's a deep-seated fatigue that can make it hard to get through the day. Other common signs include looking pale, feeling short of breath, getting dizzy, or having cold hands and feet. Some people might even experience headaches or a fast heartbeat. Since our bodies are all different, symptoms can vary from person to person. So, what causes this shortage of red blood cells or hemoglobin? Well, there isn't just one single cause. In fact, there are over 400 different types of anemia, but they generally fall into three main categories. The first and most common category is anemia caused by blood loss. This could be from an injury, a heavy menstrual cycle, or internal bleeding that you might not even be aware of. When you lose blood, you're also losing red blood cells, and if your body can't replace them fast enough, anemia can develop. The second category is anemia caused by decreased or faulty red blood cell production. Your body might not be making enough red blood cells, or the ones it does make might not be working correctly. The most well-known type here is iron deficiency anemia. Iron is a crucial building block for hemoglobin. Without enough iron, your body can't produce enough of those drivers for your oxygen delivery trucks. This can happen if your diet is low in iron or if your body has trouble absorbing it. Other nutrient deficiencies, like a lack of vitamin B12 or folate, can also lead to this type of anemia. The third category is anemia caused by the destruction of red blood cells. In this case, your body is producing red blood cells, but they're being destroyed faster than they can be replaced. This can happen due to certain inherited conditions, like sickle cell anemia, where red blood cells are abnormally shaped and can get stuck in blood vessels, or due to other health issues. It's really important to remember that anemia is a medical condition, not just feeling a bit run down. If you're experiencing persistent symptoms like fatigue, paleness, or shortness of breath, it's a good idea to chat with a healthcare professional. They can run simple blood tests to check your red blood cell and hemoglobin levels and figure out what's going on. The good news is that most types of anemia are very treatable. The treatment really depends on the cause. For iron deficiency anemia, it might be as simple as taking iron supplements and making some dietary changes, like eating more iron-rich foods such as leafy greens, red meat, and beans. For other types, the treatment will be tailored to the specific underlying cause. Understanding anemia is the first step toward managing it effectively. It's not just about being tired. It's about your body not getting the oxygen it needs to function at its best. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more health content. Share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.